Guys, I'd like to welcome each and every one of us to my channel of Honesty Sciences and Mathematics TV channel. In this particular discussion, I'm going to look at the concept of the mean deviation about, of course, the median. And this is going to be a third category of the consideration of the concept of the measures of dispersions, considering the concept of the mean deviation about various averages. Now, in this case, we are going to consider a similar example or illustration of the mean deviation, but we are going to use this specific representation for the concept of the median. And this is going to be given in terms of the summation between I is equivalent to 1 to n of the deviation of different values from the median given as such. And this is going to be divided by the number of distributions given as n as such. And in case we, or rather number of observations given as such, in case we have a frequency distribution, we're going to have a second variation of this specific formula, considering the frequency distribution, and therefore the mean deviation about the mode or the median is going to be given as the summation between 1 and k of the frequency given as fi, and of course the deviations about that median, which is going to be an absolute value divided by the number of n given as such. And of course, these are going to constitute similar steps for finding this specific mean deviation about the median by first evaluating this specific aspect of the median. So we first evaluate the median, and then we're going to find the deviations of each reading from the median given as generally as xi minus x median given as such. And then therefore we are going to find the arithmetic mean of the deviations, as we said, of course, not taking consideration of the a specific sign that's going to be attached to this particular value. And therefore we are going to evaluate the arithmetic mean from this specific formula, or the values that we're going to obtain from this. And this is going to be a simple procedure, of course, analogous to the previous ones that we have discussed for the mode and median, or rather the mode and the mean. And that's going to form a central part in trying to find the mean deviations of this specific average. Now, kindly check our discussion boxes for various links, and also subscribe and engage us in the comment section so that we can have more discussion on these various aspects. Now, I'm going to do a video of evaluating this specific kind of deviations of various averages. Now, using specific examples, which of course we have been using in our previous discussions, so that we can borrow from other videos in order for us to have a clear understanding. Now, in this case, I'd like to also encourage us to be engaging us in the comment section, so that we can have a healthy discussion on various topics, of course, in the concept of statistics. So that is it for now, guys. Bye, God bless you. Catch us in our next video.